Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, recently I made a video about how you can apply to BLS Canada for various India visa related applications including OCI, passport and all. Not just visa, I mean you can say Indian consular matters, okay? Now I am gonna tell you what happens after you apply, okay? I mean after your application reaches there, okay? So in my previous video I explained till the step where you get the Purolator prepaid labels, okay? You print one. So on the day of the pickup, Purolator guys come to your place to pick it up. In their email itself they specify the time, but yeah, the window is gonna be huge. Like in our case it was like 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. It could vary in your case, and they came around 1:30 p.m. okay, to pick it up, okay? Because you have already paid, so there's nothing you're gonna pay to the driver. What happens after that, maybe same day or next day it's gonna be delivered, okay? So in our case what happened, the day it was delivered, it was delivered in the morning. If it gets delivered in the evening, maybe next day or even after that, in some cases you get an email from BLS, okay, that your application is delivered to BLS. This will not have any application number. This will just like tracking number, okay? And that you know because you already have got the email. So from here, like next day what we found, next day we went to the BLS website and tried to track the status. Like in the drop down it comes like walk-in postal. So when you select postal application, it just asks for the passport number. So we put the passport number. So we got the information that application is received and it will take 4 to 5 business days before it goes to Consulate General for processing. Of course, BLS role is just to facilitate the receiving and delivering parts. They are not the decision maker, so that's fine. But what happened in our case, like maybe it was too lucky or too early. We were still anxious that now the application has been received to them. Are they gonna return it, or is it gonna be found incomplete? I know you put your best, but you always have such anxiety. So today what happened, we got a text message on our registered number that BLS has received your application. So when we got this message, we got to think that maybe our application is complete. Otherwise, why will they send us this text that it is received? They would have returned straight away. So we went to BLS site and we went to tracking. So now the tracking number was updated. The BLS application number was not shared with us, but because I said it's a postal application, so just with the help of passport number and that captcha code, we were able to track it, where we could see that it has been sent to the Consulate General of India and now the processing begins. Now based on the application type and of course individual cases, it's gonna take time, and Consulate has all the right in the world to ask for additional documents, refuse or delay, whatever, okay? It varies case by case, so there is no way I can tell you how much it's gonna take in your case. But as of now, what I observed, that it was much faster than I thought. But the best thing I liked about this postal application is, like we did not waste any time in standing in the queue or like amazing, because I have gone there. I know how bad sometimes it could be based on the crowd. Although you have an appointment, still like crowd could be too much. So this postal application process, I really like it. But yes, when you do it, like you got to be very careful. So this is what it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.